GEO5 is the set of geotechnical programs. The aim of this presentation is to show you how easy you can design your construction with GEO5 and how fast you could receive the results. We will start with the Cantilever wall program. It's typical GEO5 program. All GEO5 programs looks very similar. You can see the desktop with construction and a vertical toolbar for basic input. At first, we can start with the name of project, for example, the wall. You can choose the units if you want to use metric or imperial units. You can choose standards for concrete structures. Next, you can input the geometry of the wall. Here you can see the types of walls that you can choose. So we will start with the normal cantilever wall. You can choose measurement of wall by clicking on the right place. Zoom it. Then we can go to material, choose what type of concrete, what type of reinforcement steel. Another input is geological profile behind the construction. We can add some layers. And then we have to introduce soil. Soil should be, the parameters of soil should be input from geological survey, but sometimes we don't have it. We have some rare idea what soil, so we can use database implemented in the program with classification. It's conservative values of soil. We can start with gravity clay, assign it. Then we have to input friction between structure of soil, because of course it depends on the type of structure. So it cannot be in a database of the soil. We can input another type, for example, 30 cent, and then we can very easily assign to the profile. So anytime we see how the profile and the whole construction looks like. Another step is terrain behind the construction. We can input horizontal or any other shape what we would like. Next, we can introduce water. Water can be behind the construction, behind and front of construction. It can be behind and front and flow, or we can have some special type of water. For example, if we have artesian water. If you don't know something about the input, or you need some clarification about the way how it is computed, you can press anytime F1 for help. You see the topic for water. So, for example, we are interested in influence of water, special distribution, and you have explanation how the artesian water can be input to the program. the next we can introduce some surcharge, strip, for example, starting point 5 meters, length 2 meters, magnitude 10 km per meter. If you want to change it again, you can click the code, change it. Resistance in front of the wall. So we can say it's a pressure at rest or passive or something between it. We can add some surcharge on 10 and 2, and of course we have to input some soil. We can introduce any type of applied forces. For example, if you have some anchor or barrier on the top of the wall, so you can import everything. We can implement earthquake too. Very important thing is settings. You can use settings in different countries, they are set, but you can introduce your user-defined settings. So all, let's say, analysis can be done with safety factor or limit states. Or you can use standard setting with 1.5 safety factor. So we start with a verification. You see all forces, they act on the construction. So we see the slip is not okay, so we can make some changes in geometry. For example, we can make longer